outside 15 Elton Road, and it's a lovely day. We're heading off to the London to Brighton Classic Car Run. Here's the Austin Healey, doesn't look at all out of place. It's a very nice, beautiful coloured E-type actually. They really have got everything here, including Jill. So here we are at Brooklands with some pretty serious sports cars. Not going on the journey today, unfortunately, but very impressive. So here we are outside now. Look at this lovely mini moke. This super cool Cadillac. Well, here's one for Tony the Carpet, Alfa Romeo Spider, Woolsey. There's a very nice Lotus Elan over here actually, in yellow. Pretty cool. Basically, if you like cars, this is a place to be. Stag, what a great car that is.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah. It's an MGA, isn't it? By the look of it. Yeah.
That is a friend of mine. And she sent me
It's MGB, I'm sure. Beautiful. E-types.
But you're going swimming soon, so you don't have to eat a load of food before you go swimming.
Someone's turning up in a nice Austin Healey. And a Merc.
Follow on all the ones in front, please. Just follow the ones in front first.
So here we are now at Brighton. And guess what? It's raining. What a surprise. How many cars do they say there are? A couple of nice Porsche 956s. Frog Eye Sprite. You name it, they've got it. But we're just about to get to the DeLorean. That's pretty cool as well. Classic English weather. And there's another DeLorean. What can you see? Two of them. Plenty of E-types here today.
It's a pretty cool Corvette.
Corvette, yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
I've got the
Lotus Cortinas. I think there's a Lotus Escort here as well. In fact, there it is.
Gorgeous.
You've got the old MGA. Ooh, good place to sell it. $3,000. A couple of Cobras, that's a replica over there, that one. Really lovely that. And a TVR. So here we go. One very wet Austin Healey with the sight of Brighton Pier in the background. That has been a lot of fun.